All right, number 5, you're given that the triangles are similar. You want to find the area of the other polygon, right? This is like the question 4, but it's dealing with the area, not perimeter. Okay, but the ratio is essentially the same. First of all, it's always nu over old. This time we're given the area. Area nu divided by the area old. But notice this is equaling to the k squared. The reason why it's k squared is because it is the area that we are dealing with. For the perimeter, it was just k. But for the area, it is k squared, right? We know certain things. We know that the k here, right, goes from 4 to 12, right? The old one's on the left, the new one's on the right. So I do 12 over 4 squared. Don't forget that. Then we know that the old area is 10. That's why I substitute in the 10 for the old area. Okay? Then you distribute the 2. 12 squared is 144. 4 squared is 16. This should look like a simple proportional problem now. Multiply across. 16 times the old area is equal to 10 times 144. So 16 area nu is equal to 1,440 divided by 16. You get area nu equals to 90. So notice that it does not just deal with the scale factor, because I think the scale factor was 3 here, right? 4 to 12 is 3. It is not up by 3. Okay, the scale factor is basically squared. So 3 squared is 9. 10 times 9 is 90. That's another way you can think about it. Okay, but remember, area nu over area old is equal to k squared, because that is the ratio of the areas of similar objects.